wanna sell my soul. Just we walk on people. In the street ghetto, you just be careful. Oh, they may make your marrow fly like wings without the Red Bull.
Yeah. Welcome back again, guys. Today we're about to do some farming. Today we're going to get our hands dirty for who haven't or never get their hands dirty before. So here we have peas, we have pumpkin seeds, we have gungo peas, we have okras, we have corn seeds, and here we have red peas, the broad peas. Yeah, so in order we have 6 types of seeds which we are going to plant today. Is it? Yeah, so stay tuned for free. Don't know, you're gonna get some dirt already. The part where I'm go plant them, I chop down, I'm go chop down already. For plant them, so stay tuned. Peeps, so this is where I'm going to have the peas plant and the corns and the beans. So I need to take a speck of the air, flat air. Yeah. Okay, so. Peeps, you have to if much hole. Dig around 200 hole ago in the space of say half an hour. Be a hole at the out. Drop some seed in them right now. Fully. I say, shadow. See here we have gungo peas. So now fitting at least 4 seeds inside. 4. One more. What's that? 3. One more. So one left. Yeah, peeps, so I'm gonna close it up with a little bit of dirt. Yeah. I'm gonna use a special type of manure on it. Yeah. Alright guys, back here, see we have corn seeds. I have a lot of corn seeds, but I'm using these for samples so you could actually see what it looks like when it busts. You know, I'm gonna drop 4. People, regardless, you go look at your body and do what you do though. Now have time for haters them, man, isn't me? Worry about more papers and giving love this a year. Don't joke. Being through a lot in a man, so you have to give it to your all, brother. Life is a one-way ticket, so we not give up. You see me? Yeah, man. 4. That is a sign. This is a number of protection. 4 and 2. That's why I drop it like this, you know. I kind of dig them separately, so corn on one side, bean on one side, and peas will catch somewhere and I have three pumpkin seeds. I have more to collect still. I have a big pumpkin that doesn't cut yet as it, so I'm gonna get some seeds from it. Yep. Uh-huh. 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 Look what we have done inside of the hole. It's not a rabbit, it's current seed as well. You don't know what cover it now, so this is the way how I like to do it. I don't like scrape out the dirt on it like this. I like use the dirt and pinch it all over it. Yep. It's nice to get your hand dirty now and then, don't? Well, I mean, I thought the bloody way. Yeah, my peeps, yeah, my peeps. We outside and I need for real, man. That's it. So, here, they are covering it up as well. So, you know, after you're done drop the seeds, you have to cover them as it. I'm going to give you the tips in my description so you could follow as well. You see, I'm a type of person. I like do things like this. Even when I'm working about now, I have to have my shirt off. So I could never work in jacket night tie. Those jobs was not meant for me, you see it. So I like my freedom. I'm not making anyone take it from me. Despite what they're trying to throw my way to stop my finances and stuff. So I just keep it at a normal pace, you see it. Life is about, you see me, kicking away obstacles, knowing how to ride the wave, even sometimes when it's get tough. You see it? Yep. So I never sit down and lay back, always doing the do. You see it? Yeah, peeps. Yeah, peeps. So I said my yard is very, 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 very big. While I have it in bush, why not just chop it down and have some things planted? Am I wrong? Yeah, so active not in time, my father. Can't move like say, yo, the hand left push part of band. Don't. Alright, so. Yeah, my peeps, yeah, my peeps. So, I've already planted off the corn seeds. So, what I'm going to do now is to drop some of the okra seeds. You see, as I tell you, it's just an experiment. I try to put out. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, my peeps, yeah, my peeps. See what we have here. Okra seed. Huh? See it very well? That's where they're going to drop unfilled. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, maybe I will drop 6 night this time. I've planned this a numerous amount of times, so I know this will catch for sure. Okra with fish. Yeah, tough crackers. Well, in Jamaica, it's otherwise known as water crackers, but you know, we get up people, we say, oh, tough crackers. Is it? Yeah. I'll get some more, you know. Just have these for experiments only. Yep. So, this is the bean peas, the red bean peas. So, I'm going to have fresh whole dug and fill them inside because I like to do my thing organizable. So when I come on the farm, I know where to go. You understand? So alright, I'm going to plant the peas right here. because down there is where I plant the okras, I plant the other beans and the corn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it plant up here on the hillside. Most definitely it's gonna work because I've tried these before also, but I just want to do it for you as I'm showing you and explain. Yep. Peeps, so this is the broad bean red peas. So I've already dug out the hole. I do it as an oval shape where I can run this beautiful tree, because if it's supposed to grow, I want it to rest on this tree so it can go up. Anyone who plant peas will actually know what I'm talking about. It have to be like a bed, like, yeah. So I'm gonna drop two. Yeah, so I'm gonna do cover it right now. It's not hard to do, it's just patience, you know. I've already dropped the small ones, small gungo red peas. Yeah, because they are small, so that's why I said gungo red peas. I'm gonna cover them as well. Yeah, see what's. Yeah, peeps. So what I did, I just jammed up there a special place where I could drop the pumpkin seeds. These are kind of fragile, but I have a fresh one, so when I cut the fresh pumpkin, I will get the fresh seeds from out of it. I saw them inside of the seeds that I have put down, so why I say why not try them? It's like Jack and the Beanstalk. I've already have luck, but you know I'm gonna turn up this to a notch where I'm gonna make this thing even work. So God bless these seeds. Drop two. I'm gonna fork up a next one so I could plant it here beside the peas. The vine run here. I have pine, I have my cane, I have my honey banana, I have my plantains. Yeah. And I have more on the side, cedar to deal with. So yeah, boy, it's getting on. Cannot complain, don't. For real. Go outside and I do it, man. Burn them like 3rd degree, don't. That's right. Alright, my peeps, alright, my peeps. So, go on now, so. So, start a big operation right I say, you see it? Yeah. Make sure, say, I fork up from way down there, so. Come way around and say, you see me? I'm getting some vegetable. Put in, you see it? Real, man. Outside and I do it from. No joke. Yeah, my peeps, yeah, my peeps. So after a couple jams out of the fork. But rich already. Far now. Yeah, man. Time is money. Chop down. I feel always occupy time, man. There's no space to eat as them, none time.
Yeah. Yeah, my peeps. I mean, man. One and only true and genuine authenticity, as it. Outside on a bending like 3 degree father. Catch me a two talk, I more talk, I lose energy, as it. People don't entertain me while I do this, as it. Yeah. Peeps. You're outside on a beat, real man, as it. Yeah, man. After me done fuck up some hole just a little bit, I'm just there to take a little break. And now on banana tree. Sun very warm and come out. Just come out. Time around right now, it will pass 9 o'clock. Right now, yeah. Look how I go on safari. Jaja. Totally, brother. See it? Nah, play with it, man. Used to watch. Also, I used to play this game with them called name Farm Village, and also Little Big City. So those was my favorite game growing up. You see me? So all those techniques and things, well, you have to farm like for the hometown and then harvest it and initiate it to them. You see it? But it's not where the case is that what I'm going to do is just that it give me a motive. You see it? Yep. So in every move that I make in life, brother, just know say it's a calling. No matter what, don't hide from it. You see it? Yeah, right now me a sweat, brother. Burn some calories. You see it? Yeah, it's a beautiful day so far. Looking nice sky. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to have a few more spots dug up and then get a break, and then in the evening just show you the after effect because it's sun very out right now. So probably I need to go see how the farm might dig up, because me dig up in a way like, a plot way like. Just jam. Just do it official, organizable. So when the sun is down, I'm going to show you how it look. Yeah. Just pull up the land as me show you this morning. Yeah. What up, peeps? What up, fams? So here, yeah, me just go hunt while I go. I'm say, alright. And go and get some suckers because me have a family. He's a good and a great farmer. So I said, why not do this? Is me experiment while showing you how to plant the corns, the beans, and also the gungo peas and the okras. So I say, alright then, this is a cabbage plant, this is popchos, and this is CALLALOO. Apparently, it's the first day and your boy is going very hard. Might as well before the night done. You see, everything just start beer to a boss about supernatural, but patience is the key. You see me, you don't know what do right now. So when we don't do what I do, we just show you how it, presentable. Yeah.
Oh my god. Enticing. Just like all the greens them fall up, bro. You see me? Yeah. Hey, when these person, man, gigantic, I'm say. I must say, everything we touch it turn gold. Turn gold. Is it? So, yep. Still have way more to go. So, I'm have CALLALOO them to plant out. So, you know, I think you can't believe me actually I do this for you guys. So, you see me? I show no part. I'm a background. You see it? Yep. Yeah, my peeps. So it's all successful right now. Successful. You have the CALLALOOs left to plant. It was when we dropped the corns and okra seeds this morning. There's so much hole, dig up like a crab wall. Yeah, that's a boy, man. Outside and I do for real, man. Don't. They got some of my CALLALOOs them right here. I have plenty more. Way more. That's do them today so you can know how much you can do inside of a day. You see it? Yep. The boys coming together, man. You see me? Don't worry yourself, man. You see it? This is survival mode. Don't. Coming soon. Coming. It's all about the comet is coming, bro. You see it? Take a peep, man. Yeah, enough flat. Look how much hole I dig. See it? No, I re-step on them, you know. See them there? Yeah. Mishala. Man. Crazy. Yeah, my peeps. See how the first transplant of CALLALOO look. Well, it could drop down on the ground, you know, but I want it to be up like that, you know. Yeah. Here they are. This is day one process. Day one process. Yeah. I have plenty more to go. I have one in my hand about to transplant about now. Right inside that hole. Yep. Burn up some bush, you know. Yeah, my father. Don't know anything going on. Have a long way to go, brother. Yeah, this very big, brother. That's it. Can't complain. God bless you, don't complain. I just try work and try to maintain, done. Yeah. In real life. Yeah, my peeps. Watch your after effect. Ah, boy. This is how the CALLALOO look after I done plant them. As I told you, I want them to stand up, so that's why I jam some sticks to make them stand up like that. I don't want to make them look deadish like, you know. This is how the boy do it in Jamaica. That's so farm as it. Fully. No, laugh with the thing, father. That's some whole heap of more country bus off. Some whole heap of more okras and things, you see. Around 100 will my biggest man. Right now, my hands them, wrist them, I'm tired. It's been a good while I done farm. That's it. While my time is unoccupied, why not do some farming? You see it. I just here to sit down and not doing anything. So this is why I get my other side, a party occupied, you see me? This is another way how I use my free time as well as it. Yep. I was gonna tell her say chess to play is not checkers, we have to know when to move. You see me? And while we here, why not giving you some vlogs of where I'm at right now? You see it? Damn, bro. As I might tell you, so when the sun cool down, I'll give you some light, you see it? So this is how it look like. Yeah. What's up guys, what's up guys? Guess what I have here on the fire, brother? You know, roast fish.